Hi, my name is Jessie Nelke. I'm here with my sister Nina Cissell and my lifelong friend Lea Virtel. We are baking cookies together in preparation for Christmas. We have been doing this for 50 years together. We started with two other friends originally, Gail Putney and Jane Sullivan, and then Gail moved away and my sister Nina took her spot, and then Jane moved away, so now it's just the three of us. But we still bake together every year. This is our most difficult cookie. It's called a stained glass cookie. And it originated with a Betty Crocker recipe, and you were to color the dough and cut little shapes. Well, we wanted more and more detail, so we developed diluting the dough with water. It's never been chilled, it's fresh that morning, and we get it the consistency of icing and put it in tubes and use it like icing and make really fancy cookies. But also the recipe is delicious. It's a soft, delicate sugar cookie, and everybody loves it. So it's our favorite. And we spend all day today together doing this and make about 30 dozen.